Came into my world so small yet so loud, a tiny spark that lit up every cloud. Your laugh, your tears, they made me whole, a melody that echoes in my soul. I see the stars when I see your face. Every moment with you, a sacred place. With love to my daughter, my heart's design. Every beat, every breath, you're the rhythm, you're the line. With love to my daughter, my forever muse. A bond unbroken, a love I'll never lose. Your first steps felt like the earth stood still. The world watched as you bent it to your will.